They're both reasonably tight right now. And then you can kind of maneuver it and maneuver the plate so you can see where the plate now, the hole at the plate is now lined up here through this hole in the bracket. So now I'm going to get one of those big silver bolts, drop it in with one of the nuts, and secure it here. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like, and you're going to want to do the same on the other side. All right, so I want to show you a trick here really quickly. So it's all in and tight at it, but I wanted to show you what I did on how to get here. So with one hand, I held the plate. So I've got these two little screws in, holding the plate on, and then with one hand, I held the plate to get it lined up with the hole in the frame here. Then I've got a magnetic screwdriver that could hold onto the bolt, and I tipped it in and pushed it down in so it's down through the hole in the frame and down through the hole in the plate. I then took the 10 millimeter nut on my fingertips, very carefully reached underneath and put it up against the bolt, and then very carefully screwed it on so I wouldn't drop the nut, right? Because that would suck. So it's 10 millimeters, so then I've got a 10 millimeter wrench, and I just put the 10 millimeter wrench underneath to hold it in place, and then just tightened it down. And you can use a socket, a 10 millimeter socket, or a screwdriver, because the bolts have a screw head pattern in the top. Okay, so once that's all done, it's in and tight. Okay, so good to go there. Okay, so now that those brackets are on, we're going to want to remove the clip and the factory O-ring from both sides of the OEM pipe. Now, your clip is on these little fingers.